Apple, house, car, book, friend, computer, school, home, chair, music, coffee, window, movie, teacher, street, water, dog, store, family, travel. Lorry, flat, biscuit, lift, bonnet, holiday, boot, sweets, trousers, rubbish, petrol, nappy, torch, garden, jump, rhino, tap, chemist, post, lube. The lorry delivered the furniture to the new office. She moved into lovely flat in the city center. Would you like some biscuit or tea? They took the lift to the top of the floor of the building. Opened the bonnet to check the engine. They are planning a holiday in Spain this summer. She put the groceries into the boot of the car.